Hey guys, today we're setting up IKEA's instant bed, perfect for quick and easy guest setups. Unboxing and frame setup unboxes bed, everything's compact. I'm setting up the frame first.
Nako.
It's as easy as snapping a few parts together, no screws or complicated instructions. And here it is, all set up, from unboxing to finished bed in less than 10 minutes. Super comfortable and perfect for small spaces or last-minute setups. That's a wrap. IKEA's instant bed is perfect for anyone looking for convenience without sacrificing comfort. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have any IKEA favorites. See you in the next vlog.
Nice.